What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, family? Yes, family, we back. And I want to send a big shout out to my main man, Ray. He towed a vehicle to my home the other day, and we was talking about personal finance. But before I go any further, family, I would like to thank everyone who is supporting the channel by buying the t-shirts and the water bottles, family. Yes, yes, yes. So, family, today we have individuals with bad credit, no money down, and want to purchase vehicles. Now, check this out, family. I want to show you this little short clip of this vehicle that was in my last video that I said would have problems. So I see the Aventador made it through the snow. Now I know you guys saw the last video where this vehicle was covered in snow. And look at the damage that happened to the body because of the snow. This is why a high-end supercar like this doesn't belong out in the elements. And yes, family, I want to stop the video right there simply because supercars and freezing temperatures, ice and snow, it don't mix, family. These supercars, they're very expensive. They're made of plastics to be lightweight to go fast, right? So this one particular vehicle, not only do it have body damage now because it was sitting out in the snow. Go look at my last video, you'll see it. It was covered in snow. Not only that, but now it has engine trouble, family. So let me keep the show rolling. Check out this cat that want to buy a Hellcat.
Our website, it's 22 Scat Pack, the nice one, the black one.
10,000 miles.
How much do you feel like with 44,000 on the car? I ain't got no trade in, and I'm gonna put about $5,000 down. My credit ain't the best. My credit about a 550.
Okay, now stop. What makes a person think if you got a 550 credit score, you're going to be able to finance a $44,000 car? Now, I'm going to give you a gem. If you have low credit scores, most institutions want you to put down 20% just coming out the gate, family, on financing a $44,000 vehicle. Now, here's a mistake this gentleman is making. What he should have been asking for is a buyer's order form, where the salesman, he just write down on a piece of paper the year, the make, the VIN, and the price they want for the vehicle. Then you take that over to your credit union or the financial institution where your paycheck goes. But we're going to keep the show rolling.
I want to be around no more than $500. What could you do?
You want to finance 44,000 after taxes and everything. It'll probably be like 48, but you're gonna put $5,000 down.
And y'all take a little bit off that car, man. Do something about that price.
Listen. You're gonna be doing about 43,000, and with average credit, you're gonna be sitting at about 840 payment. And what you're telling.
Notice what the salesman said. With average credit, but he never told the young man on the other end of the phone that he has low credit.
You got a 550 credit score, correct?
That's right.
So you want your payment to be lower than your credit score.
Well, if you make it like that, I know I might be dreaming of maybe, possibly, you can kind of put me in that direction that
Yes, family. This guy's dreaming.
I'm trying to be in. I can see myself paying no more than $5,000.
Come in and we can run some numbers for you.
I'm right up the street, man. I can come in right now because I want this car pretty bad, man.
We may need a co-sign, may need a little bit more down, but we can do what we can to work with you.
I want to try to do this myself, Jerome.
Listen, family. If you're under a 720 credit score, You're not finna finance this car by yourself. Okay? You will need a co-signer. But I got another clip for you. Check this one out.
The truck, no money down, credits. So I'm just going to try to help out. You interested in a truck?
Trying to check see what my options are.
A lot of options will dictated by credit. How's your credit?
Not very well. Credit Karma shows my credit score is 613 and 621, but I don't know.
Another
617, 621. I just said 720.
thing, how much money do you have down?
Right now, I don't have anything down. I'm waiting on my taxes. What type of trucks do y'all have on the lot now?
We have a Nissan Titan. We have a Ford Raptor. We have a Toyota Tacoma right now. What do you like?
My last truck was a Nissan Titan.
We've got a really nice Titan. It's pretty new though. That's going to be pretty heavy money. It's $29,000. We got to get you something a little cheaper, right?
Yeah, maybe half. And what about the Tacoma? Is it a newer one too?
It's a 2016, but only problem is I think I've got it sold tomorrow, but don't worry. That's what I look for when I go to the auction. I'll have another one or I'll get you one.
Okay.
I'll help you. Right now I've got about 14 banks. So I could try a bank to get you financed. If not, you could just pay me weekly or bi-weekly, whatever.
Now I stopped it there because he's telling the young lady he's going to run her credit 14 times. Do you guys know anything about hard inquiries? Put it down in the comment section. Yeah, please post your comment. Post your comment down in the comment section. 14 hard inquiries, family, for one vehicle.
Whatever you want to do.
A weekly payment would be good.
You getting a couple thousand back?
Something like that, yeah.
So maybe 1,500, $2,000 down. You got to get insurance, and then we could work something weekly out with you and get you in some transportation. We work with people, okay?
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Sounds good.
I'll take care of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I bet he will, family. I bet he will take care of her. But here's the thing. You have low credit. You have no money down. My God, family. Is this how we are financing things nowadays, family? Put it down in the comment. Y'all let me know. Because you're asking for whooping financially. My mother used to always say, people in hell want water. Now you figure that out.
10 years ago?
I didn't know you're all approved and good to go.
Yes.
Your score was in the mid sixes. It's so funny. I submitted your credit alongside somebody with an 850. You got approved right away. She got declined.
No.
Now check this out. This is the classic case of a salesperson gaslighting his new customer. I have an 800 credit score. First of all, I'm only going to the dealership to look at the inventory. That's it. I'm not financing with the dealership because I don't want 14 hard inquiries. I'll go with the Navy Federal, Penn Fed, NASA Federal Credit Union, Apple Federal Credit Union, places like that to get the money. Remember, when you go shopping, you got to have money.
Oh, wait. I've been trying to get it back. I had it till 7, like about a year ago, and then 720, and now it's back down. So I got to get it back up. But that's crazy. After I separated from my wife and was going through a divorce, I ended up doing a bankruptcy. And then it's crazy because literally like 8 months after, I had an unsecured car. It was like, what the?
That's funny. What are we rolling in payment-wise?
It's 2 payments.
Of how much?
It's $599.
All right. So assuming that's the case, I'm going to give you your final payment. You still want to...
Remember, family, when it comes down to vehicles, you never want to roll. Never roll. If it takes you to either come out of pocket, sell some of the items around your house, as you can see in the studio, you see all this stuff? If I was going to purchase a vehicle and they tell me I'm upside down, I will be selling some of this stuff so I can put this money down, because when you roll over, you're financing a higher payment, family.
The 2K out of pocket?
Yes.
It'll be at $499 a month.
Oh, that's cool.
We got very lucky with this car and payment, as you can see, dude. I just need you to submit the VIN number to your insurance company ASAP. Get this car insured, and we're aiming for delivery tomorrow. I do want to get this car out of the dealership before the weekend. I don't want them to sell it on us.
Sounds good.
Okay, family. I hope by you watching this video, you've learned at least two things. One thing, when you purchase a vehicle, all you need is a buyer's order form, right? Buyer's order form. Number two is take it to your bank. The bank where your direct deposit, where your check goes. Okay. Also, I want to send a big shout out to our channel members. Big shout outs to our channel members, family. For some strange reason, things are acting funky right about now. Shout out to JP, Blueprint for Prosperity, and PNR Connected. Now, family, if you join the channel, your name will be in that ticker as well. But I don't want to make this video no more longer than what it is. Until my next episode, you be blessed.